In English, bukas luluhod ang mga tala.
Tomorrow they will need.
Okay, bukas luluhod ang mga tala. English.
Tomorrow they will kneel down.
Luluhod ang mga tala.
Tomorrow, the stars will go down.
Bukas luluhod ang mga tala.
Tomorrow the star will kneel on you.
Good. Okay. Okay, next. Between walang ningning. One.
Star shining.
Between walang ningning.